In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Canva. If you've ever designed a flyer, presentation, resume, or any other digital document in Canva, and then realized people can't actually click through to your website or another page, it can be frustrating. The good news is that Canva makes this process very simple. And once you know where to look, adding links only takes a moment. To begin, make sure you open the actual project you want to edit inside Canva's editor. A common mistake is trying to do this from the main dashboard without opening the design first. The linking tools only appear when your document is open in the editing workspace, so go to your Canva home screen, find the design you want to work on, and click it to open the project. Once your file is open, go to the part of the design where you want the hyperlink to be added. If you want to link text, double-click the text box and highlight the exact word, phrase, or sentence you want people to click. If you want to link an image, graphic, or button style element instead, simply click that object once so it becomes selected. After that, look for the small toolbar that appears near the selected item. In many cases, you may need to click the three dots to open more options. From there, choose the link option, which is usually shown with a chain icon. If you want a quicker method, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Command and K on Mac or Control and K on Windows. That opens the link field directly. Now click into the link box and type or paste the full web address you want to use. It's best to include the complete URL, including HTTPS, so the link works properly. Canva may also let you link to another page or slide within the same project, which is helpful for presentations or interactive documents. Once the correct destination is entered, press enter to apply it. If you linked text, you'll usually notice a visual change, such as an underline, which helps confirm the link has been added. The final step is exporting your design in a format that keeps the hyperlink active. This part is important because if you download the project as a PNG or JPEG image, the link will not be clickable anymore. To preserve the hyperlink, go to the top right, click Share, then choose Download. In the File type menu, select PDF Standard or PDF Print, and then download the file. And that's it. Your Canva design should now include a working hyperlink inside an interactive PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.